Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to turn your Android phone display black and white. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate and open the Settings app on your phone. Once you are in the settings, tap About Phone Settings. Here, keep tapping on OS version until developer mode is enabled. Once it's on, go back to the settings menu and scroll down to find additional settings. Once you find it, tap to open. In the additional settings, scroll down to find the developer options, then tap on it to move forward. Now, in this settings menu, scroll down until you find simulate color space. Once you find this option, tap on it and a new drop-down menu will appear. From here, select monochromacy. Now go back to the home screen. And there you go. This is how you can turn your Android phone display to black and white. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.